Do you know Reset? Maybe not. But you do know this feeling. And you also know the feeling that comes the morning after. Ouch. One bottle of Reset before going to bed makes a world of difference the next day.
Hi, my name is Jan. I'm a Dutch pharmacist and I'm founder of Reset. We're here in Amsterdam in Reset's pop-up store, and that's the perfect place to tell you more about alcohol and rough mornings. In your body, alcohol is degraded into acetic aldehyde, and that's a very aggressive poison. After 10 drinks, 100 grams of this poison is already in your body. That's this amount. To remove this poison, your body needs its glutathione, but it never has enough to get rid of acetic aldehyde overnight. And that's where Reset comes in. Reset contains a lot of cysteine. That allows your body to produce even more glutathione, and that will speed up your recovery up to 5 times faster.
Drink 1 bottle of Reset during or after drinking alcohol. And you'll wake up refreshed and ready to face the world. Reset. Never miss a day.